All right, guys, so today is the day. Just for some background story, remember the last time I saw you guys, we ended up taking the bike to Motorcycles of Greensboro to get the water pump fixed. So they just called me back earlier today talking about to come get it. Just for some reference, it's gonna take about 30 days to get this water pump fixed. So last time I saw you guys was, I think, August 1st, I wanna say, August 1st. Today is September 5th. So when I dropped the bike off, it was August 1st. Today is September 5th. So that's just some time reference as to how long this thing has been gone. I know I dropped a video Monday, Labor Day. So September 4th. Oh yeah, yesterday. I dropped a video September 4th. So today, September 5th, gonna go get the bike. I spaced the videos out so that it wouldn't look like there was a whole lot of time between and that I wouldn't run out of content. So I'm gonna go get the bike. It's gonna look like a short time, but it's been 35 days. I've had pink eye, got over pink eye before I got my bike back. So yeah, that's that.
Get out the way, you got a watch, you got the time, I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, I got talk. That is real cheap, but it's really go close. I'm trying to get these ends.
So we're loading up. I got my beautiful wife back in the front. Got all the stuff that we need. And we're heading to Greensboro. And for the record, she's got pink eye too. Oh my God. So yeah, I got pink eye first.
It's not pink eye.
It's been about 2.5. Sorry, I had it for about 2.5, probably 3 weeks.
Viral conjunctivitis.
Viral conjunctivitis, not pink eye. And of course, she's got it. She doesn't want to be on camera, but I got it 3 weeks, got over it.
Because I look like a pin cushion.
She looks like a pin cushion, apparently. So I got it, got over it, and yeah, all that before I got this bike back. So we are on the way to go get it. See you in Greensboro.
Color combo, not car.
What?
Right here. It's like purple and silver.
Oh,
It's weird.
All right, pulling up to Motorcycle of Greensboro. Got this weird color car doing whatever. Looks like they got some new stuff outside. Let's go see what we got going on. Hopefully they have it ready to go so I can just get on and ride. I'm so tired of waiting. Gosh. All right, let's go see. Ooh, so we got I don't know what year this is, to be honest with you. Looks like a K1200. Single-sided swing arm. That's dope.
This thing is huge.
It's cool. Yeah, this is like the police bike I was telling you about.
Oh.
It's not it, but
Yeah.
yeah, that's what it looks like.
Yeah. Come on, you off that ish. That was dog was growling.
Got some new bikes in here. It's a cool looking thing. So we got a mystic colored bike right here. This is nice. Guarantee this is like 50 grand. Calling it.
Hello.
26.9. No. 26. I was 10,000 off. But still expensive nonetheless. Oh, that's sick. Push to start, I'm guessing. If I can find the, I don't know where it's at. The ignition. I don't know. We ain't messing with it.
Alright. I just need a signature from you right there, and that copy's for you, my friend.
Sweet.
That's all there is to it, the beauty of warranty.
All right, that's awesome. What was it, a coolant? It was just a coolant leak?
So you got a whole new water pump.
Okay, gotcha. Oh,
yeah, there's a mechanical seal that's in the water pump assembly in these. It's kind of funky looking. It almost looks like a turbo.
Oh,
I don't know if you're kind of familiar, I figure, with the truck and stuff.
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. So that's what's in there.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a turbo, and it's actually in the back of the oil pan. And there's a mechanical seal in the middle of it, and that's what fails unless the water seep out of the hole. Yeah.
Okay.
The oil.
Alrighty. You actually we don't have to put it back there if you don't mind. I was gonna ride it.
Yeah, it's actually sitting right here.
Okay. Oh, sweet. That'll work.
Oh.
Yeah. Opening up the showroom. There it is.
Reunited at last.
Reunited. Heck yeah, man. Sweet. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Brand new water pump. Oh, I'll probably grab the receipt. Sweet. So there it is. 0, as you guys can see. So they did an oil pump and coolant pump, a bunch of O-rings, and all that stuff. Awesome. All right, so we're gonna go on a little ride. We're gonna go get some food with my lady here. She's gonna take the truck. Just got the bike back, and one of the owners came outside and said he loved watching my videos. So that was super awesome to hear. You know, it's awesome to hear that people, you know, watch the videos and stuff like that. So we're gonna keep making content, man. We're gonna ride this bike. We're gonna do a lot more stuff to it. And yeah, let's go get some food. Ah, this girl is driving this truck like she's me. It's 96 degrees out here, man. Jesus. Wow. Wow. Yeah, but I gotta pull the clutch like all the way out. Jesus. Well, still wheelies. All right, guys, just got the bike loaded back up in the truck. Thanks to Motorcycles of Greensboro for taking care of my warranty repair. Now we get to make more motorcycle content for you guys. Stay tuned.
N31LE here. We're back in Greensboro at the bikes. Yeah, man, I like trucks and cars and bikes. My wife's name is Ladybug. N31LE. What's up?
If you like today's video, hit the like button. Also, subscribe to this channel. That way, whenever I drop any new content, you'll be the first to know. If you have any comments, drop them down below. Remember, I'm here for you guys. So anything you want to see, let me know and I'll make the video for you. Thanks for tuning in.